These are the new features of Photoshop 2025. We go to the Removal tool, and we have this option here, Find Distractions. We select wires and cables, and they are gone. Now with our next image, and from the same option, we choose People. Then people are colored pink. We press Enter or the check mark at the top. It's done. Now we will use the latest model of generative fill powered by Firefly. We define a specific shape and write sunglasses. We can see 3 options here. Let's choose one. We click on the 3 dots and choose Generate Similar. It's done. Now let's go to our third image and remove the background. Now we will use the new feature, which is Generate Background. Let's write, standing in the street at night. And we press Generate. Now what we can do is click on the Crop tool. From above we choose Generative Expand. Then press Generate. Here we do not forget to look at our 3 options. Finally, there is the last feature, which is exclusive to Photoshop Beta. You can access it from the welcome screen. From Edit, choose the Generative Workspace, and this workspace powered by Firefly. Let us type in the description. A tiger playing the guitar. Cartoon highly detailed. Then press Generate. Let's try another example. Let's select one, and by clicking Open, we will open it directly in Photoshop Beta. These are the new updates in Photoshop 2025. Thank you for watching.